On top with tori for today, Presido Buhari don do the first Federal Executive Council virtual meeting for Abuja. Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari don do virtual Federal Executive Council meeting for State House of Abuja. Dis one na the first virtual meeting wey FEC dey do for Naija, and Presido Buhari follow do the meeting from Executive Council chambers. Other people wey follow do the meeting na Vice President Yemi Osinbajo and some other members wey get memo to present. The other members join the meeting from their different offices wey dey for Abuja. Dis one follow for social distancing wey go fit help stop the waka-waka of coronavirus disease for the country. Dem consider and approve plenty memo plus the amendment of 2020 budget. As dem don reduce the budget size, federal government come put new expenditure wey no first dey the budget join, as dis one go fit help fight COVID-19. Minister of Finance, Budget and National Planning, Zainab Ahmed, come talk say make the Federal Executive Council approve am, make Naija Customs Services for fit buy 3 operational boats wey dem go fit take dey do surveillance and anti-corruption activities for maritime waters.
The crude oil price is approved at $25 per barrel. Crude oil production at 1.94 million barrels per day, and then an exchange rate of 360 naira to $1. The revised budget is now in the total sum of 10.523 trillion, a difference of just about 71.5 billion when compared to the approved budget. We also presented to Council a request on behalf of Ebonyi State Government for a loan of $80 million from the Islamic Development Bank for the construction of the Abakaliki Ring Road project.
Minister of Agriculture Sabo Nanono come announce the approval of another loan facility wey be €950 million for agricultural mechanization for Naija, and him talk say dis one na ogbonge revolution for Naija agricultural sector.
We have an estimated 84 to 92 million hectares of land. We are only telling about 34 million hectares. If we are going to move agriculture forward in this country, it's absolutely necessary for us to mechanize.
Saleh Mamman, wey be Minister of Power, come still put mouth on talk power matter for the country.
This is for the full evacuation, delivered and utilization of 40 megawatts currently being generated from Kashimbila via Takum, Wukari, and then Yandev to the national grid. And in fact, if it is not evacuated, Nigerian government will lose not less than 120 gigawatts of power, which is equivalent to almost $9 million in air.
Minister of Transportation Rotimi Amechi announced the approval of the council on top 83.6 million naira to take buy 19 vehicles for Naija Ports Authority (NPA). In talk say dis one na the first time wey NPA dey buy motor since 4 years. Now here we see am reach on top with tori for today, as Presido Muhammadu Buhari don do the first virtual Federal Executive Council meeting for State House of Abuja. Make una sabi say na T Live Media na carry dis ogbonge informate come give una.